We are weeks away from Champs 2019 and the arguments start up again. What is the best way to manage and guide our young, super talented track athletes, such as Edwin Allen's Kevona Davis? And again, me say, do not allow these elite level youngsters to become hooked on Champs. History shows the many talented athletes over the years that have become victims of their own Champs success and basically turned worthless after leaving school. Special talents like a Kevona Davis are star athletes, yes, but they are also impressionable youngsters. If it gets ingrained in their psyche that breaking Champs records and winning Champs will elevate them to the pinnacle of their human existence, then how are we going to rescue them from that psychological and physical space? It has proven to be a struggle for many to recover and make the big step up to the senior ranks where the lucrative careers lie in waiting. I mean, you think about it. How will Kevona Davis benefit from winning the Class 2 sprint double at Champs this year? How that will help her? Athletes like Kevona Davis and Chris Taylor from Calabar should not be preparing to peak at Champs, but instead they should be peaking at the national senior trials to try and make the World Championships team. That is the bigger picture. Athletes with this kind of special talent should be rescued from the clutches of the amateurism and the infertile hype of boys and girls champs and encouraged to think bigger.